Hundreds of students in Oak Park have new winter coats, shirts, and more. It's part of a program called Operation School Bell.
It is an incredible program. The Assistance League of Southeastern Michigan puts on this event each year at 6 different schools, serving children who may not otherwise have access to things that they need. 7 Action News reporter Whitney Burney was there as volunteers made their first stop.
At an elementary school gym in Oak Park.
Okay, so this is what I want.
Kids like Naomi are shopping until they drop.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I think we're gonna have to get this, but let's keep looking.
But here,
are these big enough?
I want this one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Their money is no good.
All right, Michael, you get to pick out any toothbrush you want.
It's called Operation School Bell. Each year, the Assistance League of Southeastern Michigan travels to 6 schools, setting up the gym like a clothing store for students to shop in. But all of the items are completely free of charge.
Throughout the year, we have fundraisers and generous donors and grants. We purchase all new clothing and we store them in a warehouse that we lease. Each year, we distribute them to the 2 schools in each of the 3 tri-county areas.
Students get a winter coat, 2 shirts, undergarments, a hygiene kit, and a book. The nonprofit says they choose schools with higher percentages of low-income children, ensuring the supplies get to students who need them. Each year, the nonprofit is able to serve more than 3,000 kids across Metro Detroit.
I've had little kids tell me, oh my gosh, this is my first toothbrush. I mean, that brings tears to your eyes. You know, this is my first winter jacket. You know, Michigan's not a warm place. So being able to give back like that, it's just so meaningful.
Dr. Jeffrey Miller and Caitlin Ryan have been volunteering at Operation School Bell events for years.
Being able to help younger kids that are in need of those extra clothes and things like that, especially as winter time is approaching, I think that's why we look forward to it.
Volunteers say this is about helping kids to put their best foot forward, no matter where they come from.
It makes a difference in the learning process when they feel they look good or they have some self-esteem that helps with the learning.
For more information on how you can get involved with Operation School Bell this school year or next year, head to our website, WXYZ.com. Reporting here in Oak Park, Whitney Burney, 7 Action News.